Hey YouTube, this is just a quick little warning to anybody who's planning on installing a dash cam and want to route their wires through this side. What a lot of people don't know is when they route their wires, they don't know that they're actually blocking the airbag. So let me show you real quick what I'm trying to say. As you can see here, a lot of people, they would take a shortcut and run this wire this way, then down the molding, down into the now as you can see here, this pink little thing right here, this is the airbag. So if you do get into an accident and this airbag deploys, it's actually getting blocked by this, and this wire could actually block it from deploying completely. So make sure that when you're installing a dash cam and running wires, take your time. So don't try to take shortcuts and do a rush job. Make sure that you carefully remove this side piece right here. It's very easy to do. And make sure that this black cable, you carefully run it behind the airbag. So as you can see here, it's not blocking the airbag like before. It's like this. That's very dangerous. You don't want that to happen. You just want to make sure that this cable, let me zoom in real quick, is running right here, at least to this black piece right here. I mean this plastic part. So that way, when the airbag does deploy, it deploys completely and potentially saving your life. Yeah, that's just a quick little announcement I wanted to make while I wait here in this car. And one way to find out is if you have an airbag blocking the cable, is just look right here. As long as it says SRS current airbag, that means there's an airbag in that exact location. So yeah, make sure, quick recap, grab the cable, run it down here, and stop right here, okay? As you can see here, run it right there, and then down into the